Alright, quick tutorial on how to use the character creation tool for the development team. You will find everything you need inside the Kalyskah RPG Tech Character Design section, in this folder specific. So here, first thing you want to do is open this level. It's a level I set up with some basic lighting. Feel free to change everything you need and whatnot, but this is the level where the character blueprint is going to be working. Now, there is a detail that we must do here because this friend is not going to update in editor. So we need to just select him, type in editor, and on the animations, we need to tell it to update the animations in the editor. And there we go. He is now functional. For some reason, this won't save, so you will have to do this every time. I'll try to find a way around this if I can. Now, in this fellow here, the things you're going to be using from him is under the one var section, which will let you select the NPC you're playing with and the character customization values. Now that you have the fellow selected, you're going to pick who you're going to be changing. So you can pick, uh, apparently, whoa, okay. I'm going to have to fix this with Corinthia. But let's pick, for example, James, which we know it's working for now. Now, after you got the character you want to tweak selected, you will find this widget, editor widget NPC CC. Right click it and click run editor utility widget. First time you open it, it'll be here. If you want to put it inside somewhere, like here for example, go for it. I will put mine here and do this. So now with our friend here selected, you click select and it'll show you the list of things you can tweak. If you find any errors or any issues, you let me know. But so far, it is working. It's not the prettiest thing ever, but it is working. When you click on this arrow on each of the sections, it'll give you options for all the transforms: location, rotation, and scale. Uh, if you want to be able to see a little bit better what you're doing, I recommend you put your field of view down to 60 or something like that. It will give you like a good zoom in. All right, let's give you a look. There you go. So that's James. If at any point you do something funky, like you don't like the scale, oh my god, this is like ridiculous, fuck this shit. You can click reset, but it will reset all of the other values you have selected on him. Click select again just to make sure. All the values start at 0, so sometimes it will do something wonky at scale. I'll try to like bug fix this later, but usually scale is always at 1. I'll try and do some code for that. Now, whenever you want to change something, let's say, oh, his head needs to be bigger, you can either use the slider, and when you let go, it'll update the value. Yeah, we we have some limitations. Uh, the scale for things like the head is usually good to leave it the same on all the axes. So here you can, for example, select a specific number like 1.5. When you let go, it'll update it, and I'll put the same value on everybody. Boom, now he's got a big head. Uh, then all the other values, they are all bones. So if you're not sure what it is, you can always go check in its skeleton. But let's see. We have a nose anywhere. I got a brow, center brow. There you go. Let's fuck with your nose. So you also have the options for location. You can move it left, you can move it right, up and down. These are all on bone transform values, so they will behave oddly. Big values are always going to create artifacts, so we can always take it easy on the values here. The UV is not meant to take this much stretching, so you do have to be careful with how far you're going with things. The best option is to blend with different options. And that is it. After you're done with your friend here, let's make a little monster here. What's this? Eyelid outer. I still need to add a mirror option to mirror to the other side, but you guys can already start playing with this if you feel like. There you go. Now you got a big issue in your eye. Nice. After you're done with this, what you want to do is have your guy selected, like Mr. James here. You can see he's got his big head going. And the same place I told you before, one vars, there's the character creation list here. These are all the bones we've been tweaking. All you want to do is right click, copy, and where our data tables for the NPCs are, under new AI data DTs, you want to go to appearance, find James, And then he has the customization section here. Just right click, paste. And now, if I go back here and I close this and save all, save selected, make writable. So now James, his actual struct for his appearance will be updated accordingly. So if I check someone else here and I go back to James, it's going to take it from the data table. And now he has the big head and the funky eye, and it will happen in game as well. Players won't have this ability. This is only for developers for now, but there you go. That is as much as I can give info on. If you guys have any questions, you let me know, and we'll try to make the tool better as we go along. It is very raw, and I'm sorry. Peace.